This is how to power on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with OneUI 8.0. You have two volume buttons and a power button. To power on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone, all you have to do is press and hold, keep doing it, long press the power button until you see the Samsung logo, and you have to let it finish starting. When your Samsung phone is started, if you have a passcode on your Samsung phone and also a PIN code on your SIM card, you will have to enter both. So I have to enter the passcode. This is the PIN of the phone. So I entered the PIN and the phone is started. If I want to power off this phone, if I do a long press on the power button, it's actually going to show the Gemini. So if you don't want that, you have to use the volume button and the power button, volume down and power button together at the same time. Long press, and then you have the option to either power off or restart. That's it. This is how you power on and also how you power off your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. You can power it on and then power it off when you don't need to use it. Thanks for watching.